Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Sumdog. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Sumdog, let's begin with the nose. So we're just going to make a nice big circle for the nose. So I'm just going to start right about here, and I'm going to draw a nice big circle shape for the nose. Next, starting here, we're going to make the eye. So we're just going to make a little rectangle. So I'm going to draw a straight line like this. Then I'll draw a little line that comes down on each side. Then we'll just draw another little line right here to connect it. Now for this eye, we're going to make an X. So I'm going to draw a small diagonal line like this, and then a small diagonal line like this. Next, I'm going to go down and then up in a V shape. Then I'm going to go down and down here, but I don't want those lines to touch. Next, I'm going to go out and then out like this. Little diagonal line, a little diagonal line. Then we'll make a line that goes up and then down. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to come over to the nose. Then I'm going to jump over the nose, and I'm going to come right to here. Then I'm going to curve this line down. And I'm going to curve this line down. You can see I kind of curved it in a little bit. Then I'm going to connect this line. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and up, and then over. Now I'm going to draw the same thing. I'm just going to bring this back a little bit. Then I'm going to go down and up, down, and then up. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. Then we'll draw a little line over to start the foot. And then I'll bring this line up. I'll draw this line over. Then I'll draw a line that goes down, over, and then up for another foot and leg. Next, I'm going to draw a little line here and a little line here, and then a little line here and a little line right here. Now, starting here, let's draw another line. And then let's draw a line that's just going to go straight down. I'm going to bring this line over. And I'm going to bring this line up and over. And then we're going to jump up here and make the ear. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to come down. I'm going to bring this over. And then I'm going to bring this up to about here. Then I'm just going to connect this line. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line over a little bit. And then I want to make the eyebrow. So I'm going to begin by making a diagonal line. A line that's going to come up. We're going to come down at a diagonal. And then connect to here. We'll do that same thing over here. We're just going to make a diagonal. We're going to go up at a diagonal. Down. And then connect it with a diagonal. Next, I'm going to connect these two lines. And then I'm going to bring this line down and then in. Over here on this eyebrow, let's make a small little rectangle like this. And then on this one, we're going to make 2 small skinny rectangles. We're just going to put 2 small skinny rectangles. Then for the tail, let's just draw a line that's going to curve up. We're going to curve it around and bring it back to the body. And there you go. There is your drawing of Sumdog. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.